In this vlog, we'll try to cover the most important topic in the React Native application development, that is Flexbox. If you ever tried designing the application and struggled with aligning or positioning elements in your app, then this particular tutorial will be very much helpful for you. And by the end of this tutorial, I'll be making Flex super easy for you. So stay tuned till the end and try to observe the examples how we make use of Flex in the React Native application. So if you have gone through our previous tutorial, here in the line number 4 we were using Flex to be 1, but we did not deep dive into that particular concept, and this tutorial will try to see what is the Flex here and why we provided it to be 1, and what if we provide 2, 3, what will be going to happen, and also justify content, align items. So totally we'll try to get the good grip on this particular Flex concept. Through the example here,